dash cam system. This is the Dashcam Pro Plus A500s model, which is a very capable dual dash cam that has all the right features. Facing camera also has a minimalistic design and also has a rotating lens. And since typically its cable runs from the front of the cabin to ease the installation. So other than the SD card, everything is included to get going. You have very convenient electrostatic stickers that make installation and uninstallation easy.
Manuals, installation A tool, the camera's main USB cable, a 12-volt car adapter with a port specifically for the camera, the front camera mount, and finally the rear camera installation cable.
Dig into it, you can extract frame by frame to make out faces, car models, or license plates. And if your car is parked in your driveway, it can surveillance that was added to this A500s model in October via free. So it's equipped with a Sony IMX335 image set, own R&D department, supply chains, and factories. So they can provide high quality, full feature products, be in both cameras, being both budget friendly while also offering some of those high-end features. And although it's not a 4K camera, I would rather they supply a native high quality resolution rather than